Alright. I can ask you, this is the Callan family wheel going to America. This is made from ash. This is the mother of all tension screw. But the wheel, ash, very hard to come by these days. Footboard or treadle. 3 legs. Got colour coded. I'll show you now in a minute. And stock and stainless. So this is Donegal Spinning Wheel. They've been waiting a long time. So I got black on black. That's the front leg to carry the footboard. Other front leg doesn't, just goes forever. Down on the bench here, I've got the green. Green is to the back, but you can see it. It's on the wrong side. So, and there. These may come loose after a while. You just put a bit of tape on them, tighten them up. On the floor, I got drive bands on first. The wheel. The peg keeps it in place. Now this is the mother of all the heck. This is how you take the bobbin off. You screw it clockwise to come off, to change the bobbin. That's one I've spun some on. That's how you change the bobbin. So it just moves like that there. Sits in place. Wooden screw holds it in place. Not too far. Now to get the drive band on, you just pull this to the side. Sits in there. Over the top. This is for Madeline and Jennifer. They're getting this. Ordered before Christmas. So you get it now for before St. Patrick's Day. Brand new. So I'm spin on it now to see. So just carrying a little bit of wool. This wool straight from the Donegal sheep, Donegal wool. That's how they've some farmers paint the wool so they can identify them. Just sharding this straightens out the fibre. Makes it easier to spin. So you got a roll lag as opposed to this. So I'll go with it. We got our leader on here. Yeah. So ash is getting very scarce. It's very hard to come by anymore. So it's pulling in very strong. See that? So it's slacking it off a little bit. Too much. That's it. Donegal Spinning Wheel from Donegal. That's it. So I'll post that very soon. And come in that box there, that's the box it'll go into. So in no time you'll be able to spin wheel like this here. But it's just for samples, for school visits, for nettles and onions and heather and all kinds of natural dyes. So you'll be doing that in no time, hopefully. Thanks for waiting. Thanks for being so patient. Cheers, Massey.